Swish, swish! Let's paint a wish! Aha!
Magic of lines.
Hello little creators, welcome to my art studio. This is where we draw, paint, stick and splash.
Swish, swish! Let's paint a wish! Hi, Maddie!
Hi Saira.
What are we making today? My paws are tingling for some painting!
Hi, Miss Maddie.
Hi Rishi. Hi Amy.
Come on, let's get started!
Yes, let's begin. Today we are going to do something very simple, but something very powerful.
What is it?
A line.
Huh? A line? That's it? Ugh, that's so boring!
Let's see if it's really that boring. Come on, take some pencils and start drawing some lines. Come on Saira, even you.
Falling, sleeping, canoeing, eating.
Look, every line looks different. Some are straight, some are sleeping, some are spiral.
My line swims like a fish.
Ah,
My line goes like a race car.
oh,
I love that. Some lines can swim, some can roar, some can even whisper, just by how we draw them.
see, a tiger line, just like my stripes. Oh, looks like it is roaring. Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of drawing. Why don't we step away from our books for some time and play a quick game of Find the Line?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see who can find the most lines in the room.
Lines are everywhere, even in my tail. Ting, 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 ting. Uh-huh. Huh?
This window has lines all around that are joining.
Yes, that's right. And because of lines, we get shapes.
Here are many squares. Here's a wavy rectangle.
I love lines. Huh? I like this squiggly splat shape.
Do you want to have more fun with lines by filling more shapes with lines?
Yes! Huh? Even more fun? Is that possible?
Absolutely.
Oh,
Inside these shapes, keep drawing your favorite line over and over again. You've just made patterns. That's what happens when lines come together and keep repeating again and again.
patterns? So, the repeating lines on my body make a pattern?
Yes, that's right.
I could do this all day.
Yes, it can be quite addictive.
Wow. Yeah. So amazing.
Little creators at home, today we learned how lines can talk, move, dance and roar. keep exploring more lines and shapes. Although they might seem very simple, they are the building blocks for your art journey.
Ding, 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 ding. Look! I am walking in a straight line. And now, in a zigzag line.
Mystery marks.
Hi little creators! Wondering what these are? We are going to make our little friends find out different ways of making marks.
Oh, I smell paint. Or maybe puppet?
No puppet today, Saira. Although there is something very oily over here.
Huh?
Hi, Miss Maddie.
Hi kids!
Miss Maddie, what are in these boxes?
Each box has some mystery art tools. I'll give each of you one box. I want you to find a secret corner
Oh, yeah.
and open only when I
Wow.
say go.
Thank you.
This one's for you, Saira.
Thank you, Miss Maddie.
Welcome. Ready, steady, go! Inside your boxes, there are tools used by artists to make marks.
Wow.
Let's test them. Draw, dab, roll. Let's see what happens.
Oh. Huh?
Hey, no beeping.
Oops, sorry. I'm just really excited to see everyone's art.
Alright, now put all your stuff away and bring your boxes to the table. Now let's see what each one of you have made. Rishi, let's begin with you.
Wow, such beautiful colors.
These lines are so thin. And pressed really hard.
What could it be?
I think they're color pencil. Yes, it is pencils.
That's great. Good guessing, guys. Now let's look at Amy's sheet.
These are nice colors.
The colors blend so well.
Feels bumpy and sticky.
What could it be?
Is it crayon? Yes.
Excellent work, guys. Now let's look at Saira's sheet.
The colors are so bright and patchy.
The paper seems a little crinkly too.
I know. I think it is paint.
Yes, it is. Splishy, splashy paint parade. Look at all the marks I made. Colors dancing left and right. My whole page is feeling bright.
Now let's see what Tara has made.
Wow, it looks like holy on paper.
Achoo! Very dusty too.
It looks like what my teacher uses in school.
Huh?
What could it be then?
Is it chalk?
Yes, it is.
Huh?
Yes, chalk colors are great to make soft marks that blend easily. What did we learn today?
That crayons are bumpy. And I learned that chalks are smooth.
And paintbrushes make tiger stripe-like splash.
Exactly. Wonderful. Do you hear, little creators? Art is just you. You making your mark on the world.
What shade are you?
Hi, little creators. I'm Mandakini, and today we are getting into the exciting world of colors. Come, paint with me and Saira.
Look at this color. So bright, so beautiful. I am the perfect orange.
More like yellow color.
No, like mango ice cream.
Excuse me, tigers are orange. And that's what I am.
Well, you are all right, in a way. Saira is made of more than one color.
Huh? More than one? Where? Do I have secret colors hiding?
Well, how can she have more than one color?
Yes.
These are the 3 primary colors. From these 3 colors, we get all the colors in the world.
What? Only 3 colors? What about green? And what about purple?
No orange?
Only 3 colors. Where are the others?
This makes me sad. I thought there are millions of colors.
Don't worry, guys. With these 3 colors, we can make millions of colors.
Huh?
What?
Let's mix these 3 colors and see what happens.
Look, I'm getting purple.
Look, I'm getting green.
I'm mixing. My brush is like a magic wand.
Yes, when we mix red and yellow, we get orange.
Huh? That's me. I am a red-yellow tiger.
Yes.
From 3 colors, we made 6 colors.
What will happen if you mix more yellow?
Huh?
Let me try that. Ooh, it looks like a caterpillar.
What will happen if you mix more orange?
Many shades of orange.
Yes, those are shades. Small changes, but big magic.
What about pink? I love pink.
Great question. We need to bring out 2 magical shades that make all our colors lighter or darker.
Black and white.
Black and white are actually not colors, they are shades.
What?
Let's add some white to the red and see what happens. See, here's some red and this is some white. Let's see what happens. Okay, can you see a lighter shade? We are getting pink right now. Now let's see what happens if we mix a bit of black, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, now mix it. What do we have now?
Ooh, it's getting darker.
Yes, it's getting darker. We have a dark maroon shade here. Oh no. We always use a fresh brush to take the paint out of the bottle and do the mixing on the palette.
Why though?
We don't want our colors to get murky with a different shade.
Oh. But is mixing paints the only way to get other colors?
No, you can mix primary colors in any material. Give it a try.
Ooh.
Oh,
These don't really mix well together. Maybe I'll try another color.
It's getting darker. I should add more blue.
A lighter red.
Yes, it is.
Wow, this looks so good.
Oh, that's a lovely color.
I found my shade. It's this one. We mix red with lots of yellow and a touch of white.
Wow.
You finally found the colors you are made of.
Swish, swish! My shade is a swirly mix.
Little creators out there, today we learned how to mix colors and make new shades. Remember, every shade you make is one of a kind, just like you.
Wasn't that so much fun? Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss our next art adventure. Swish, swish, let's paint a wish!